Accumulated food particles, dirt, etc. create black spots on the teeth. In addition, betel nut or smoke is responsible for creating black spots on the teeth. Today we will see how to remove black spots on the teeth. Fast. Take 2 tablespoons garlic, grate in a bowl. Garlic contains antibacterial properties shown to help kill tooth pain on contact. The antibacterial properties break down the bacteria buildup on your teeth and causing you to experience the tooth pain. Add half a tablespoon salt. Salt water rinses are also recommended to help reduce the discomfort of a toothache at home. In this same way, a salt toothpaste can help disinfect the mouth and reduce inflammation in the gums. Additionally, salt can stimulate the production of saliva, which promotes strong enamel and helps remineralize teeth. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Yet another great fruit that works also as a great teeth whitener is lemon. Lemons contain high acid level in the peel, which is a great whitener or even bleaching agent. Add half a tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontitis. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Current research shows that coconut oil may help to decrease plaque buildup on your teeth and reduce inflammation to fight gum disease. In one pilot study, oil pulling with coconut oil for 30 days significantly decreased plaque buildup and signs of gingivitis in 60 participants with plaque-induced gum disease. Then mix well. Use this mixture for toothbrushing for 5 minutes. Applying the teeth whitening recipe twice a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.